movement, and it's October 13th, 2016, and this is Matthew after the storm. I'm a little bit late with this video, but I'm going to give you proof that Hurricane Matthew um, was weather modified the whole time, and where it died off in North Carolina, and North Carolina got nailed with floodwaters. Nailed. And I'm going to show you proof of why it got nailed with floodwaters. This article talks about Hurricane Matthew toll rise North Carolina. Governor warns stay away from the water. Alright, 20 people in North Carolina have been killed by floodwaters, and now I believe it's up to 39 in the United States of America, maybe even higher. And it's a shame. Alright, this thing been weather modified all the way from Florida through Georgia, South Carolina to North Carolina, and died as it left out. Alright, we're going to get into it right now. But these links are going to be at the bottom. Alright. Also, it's not just that. We also got weather modification. Alright. And Bloomberg was talking about plasma bombs. And we've been seeing a lot of plasma bombs. Alright. These plasma bombs get shot up. They're like little square satellite. They get shot up in a cloud. And it creates rain bombs. These plasma bombs are rain bombs. And all this rain comes down like just pouring out. This link's going to be at the bottom. Okay, we got hurricane hacking. All right, Jim Lee did a very great job with this because it's all official government patents, how they do weather modification, hurricane hacking. The link's going to be at them, so check that out. Also, check out the second one, Hurricane Aerosol and Microphysics Program, HAMP. Check that out. Also, you can see when I was reporting about Hurricane Matthew, when it was getting hit by HARP, and how the path was going, folks. Or ain't no one else out there is doing this. Or ain't no one else. There's a few people that know about the real truth. Only a very small of us know about the real truth. But they use weather modification to cause this storm. And this is part of the New World Order. And I'm gonna be bringing more and deeper video about the New World Order. So let's get into before it hit North Carolina. This is North Carolina. All right. And it got hit the worst by the water. All right, it had wind damage and all that. So did the whole East Coast, southern East Coast, from Florida, Daytona, Jacksonville, Georgia, South Carolina. But definitely North Carolina got hit the hardest on the border, South Carolina, North Carolina, from that water. But North Carolina got nailed with that water. All right, so this is a world view by NASA. And I'm going to show you guys what we know as chemtrails before it hit North Carolina. I mean, this is official satellite view. Alright. And this is all the way up. Alright, you can see Jacksonville, Savannah, Charlotte, Wilmington, Washington, D.C., all that. Alright. And when you look inside these storms, look at these long lengths. Alright. You see these lines. You can see the lines in Fayetteville, Florence, or Myrtle Beach at the time was underneath, but you can see these lines within the clouds connecting. Alright, this is what's called cloud seeding. You can see the lines right here. These are chemtrails, folks, and it extends out. You can see it. You can see the ripples, and that's HARP nailing it. So when you come in, that's why you see that North Carolina got hit. Wilmington, Fayetteville, Greensboro, Winston-Salem, all Columbia. You can see why North Carolina, South Carolina, definitely North Carolina got the hardest, because you can see all these chemtrails. And to show you, you can get off the storm as we move north to Richmond, Virginia. You can see the lines. You see the lines, folks? Chemtrails. Alright. You can see the lines here. These are chemtrails. We all know what chemtrails are. Chemtrails all the way into the ocean. Chemtrails, 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 chemtrails. You can see the line. These things turn into clouds. But down here, you can see the chemtrails. You see the chemtrails. Let's move closer. Chemtrails, chemtrails. Closer to shore. You can see the weather modification. You can see giant chemtrails from Wilmington. Alright. Then you got the hurricane. Alright, look at that. That was a massive hurricane, too. Alright. And this thing was getting shocked by HARP, folks. Shocked. This thing had HARP rings in it. This thing had chemtrails all the way up to Washington. You can see it. all North Carolina was covered with chemtrails. Look at this. You see all the lines. All the lines. This is what's called spot spraying. Alright, I show you the hurricane hacking. You can see the chemtrails. All of this. It's amazing. You see the difference between the clouds. These are chemtrails clouds, folks. Alright, so this is proof that Hurricane Matthew was weather modified. You can check out my other videos when I had HAARP, when you seen HAARP hitting it. Alright. And here's another link that you can see nowhere else. It's called Weather Modification. Alright. They're talking about seed clouding. Alright, this is how seed clouding takes place. How they cause rain bombs, all that. Alright, no one else got this, but check it out. I just want everyone out there to just do a little bit of research on the technique of HAARP, on hurricane hacking, because we're gonna have a massive weird winter. A lot of storms. We might have one more possible, maybe one or two more possible tropical hurricane systems. We got Hurricane Nicole right now hitting Bermuda. Check out my weather video. They've been electronically next read out to the Atlantic Ocean. That's a good thing, though. Alright, this is the No Face Moon. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Facebook. This is the movement. Move till next time. Facing off.